Hi, my name is Osman Abubakar. I have this problem. I want us to look at it. Alright, pause the video if you want to give it a try. If you don't, stick and stay and follow me. Alright, so I will say solution. For once, when I saw this problem, I was like, wow, trust me, it has a beautiful solution. But when you see the problem, you might think it is somehow difficult, but it has a beautiful solution, like I said. So let's look at it. All right, let me code down the problem. So I have 4 on 10 all to the power s minus 1 equals 6 to 5 on 100 all to the power 6s minus a 5. All right, now this whole thing, so I'll do this. This whole thing can be reduced down so that 4 on 10 can be written as 2 here, 2 here, 5. So that you have 2 on 5. So this whole thing can be written as 2 on 5. Then I'll put my powers there equals, let's see, 6 to 5 on 100. Let's see, 6 to 5 divided by 5. Yes, so this can be written as 125 on 100 divided by 5. You have 20. All right, but we can still reduce it so that 5 here, I think we'll get 25. 5 here, we get a 4. All right, so I'll put 25 on 4. Then this whole thing will be put there, 6s minus 5. All right, gradually we are making progress. Now, this 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2, so that 5 to the power 2 is 25. And this can be written as 2 to the power 2, which is 4. Okay, so you can write, let me write this, 2 on 5 and s minus 1 equals 5 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 2. Then we'll put this whole thing there, 6s minus 5. All right, now remember this. When you have a squared divided by b squared is the same as a over b, or squared. Remember that? We can do the same thing here. So that 2 on 5 s minus 1 equals, then I'll write 5 on 2 all squared. Okay, then we'll put this whole thing there, 6s minus 5. Now let's continue from here. I have 2 on 5 s minus 1 equals, then 5 on 2. This 2 is going to multiply everything here, so that 2 times 6s, you have 12s. 2 times negative 5, you have minus 10. All right, now I will repeat the same thing here so that it is legibly enough. So I have 2 on 5 s minus 1 equals 5 on 2, you have 12s minus 10. All right. Now, we want to manipulate this whole thing or these whole things. Okay, we want to manipulate these whole things so that whatever here is equal to whatever there. Okay, now it is either we do this or we do that, but at the end of the day we have to make sure if it is 2/5 here, then we have 2/5 here. Okay, now let's try to change this one. Now you remember this, if you have a over b to the power -1 is equal to b over a to the power +1. So that another time, if we have m over n to the power -1 is the same as n over m to the power +1. Another time, if we have u over s to the power 1 is the same as s over u to the power -1. All right, so we can do the same thing here. So I will say 2/5 to the power s minus 1 equals, then I will interchange the position 2/5 so that we have -1 here, multiplying the whole of this 12s minus 10. Okay, so 2/5 here to the power s minus 1 equals 2/5. Then this will multiply that, you have -12s. This will multiply that, you have positive, and again, so 10. Now finally, we have succeeded in making sure that this is the same as that. And like I said earlier, if you have a to the power m equals a to the power n, then we can equate powers because the bases are the same, so that m equals n. All right, so since this and that are the same, we equate powers, so that here you have s minus 1 then equals minus 12s plus 10. Here we group like terms. We have s, this one is -12s. When it goes, it becomes positive 12s equals, we have our 10 here. This -1, when it goes, it becomes +1. So this and that will give us 13s equals, this and that will give us 11. Now we are after s, so we divide through by 13, so that this will delete that. Therefore, s is finally equal to 11/13. This is it. This is the problem, and the following are the steps. All right, once again, my name is Osman Abubakar. Thank you.